Good morning. Oh my goodness, today we are actually under a flash flood warning. It has been raining ever since yesterday afternoon and then all night long, just so much rain. And thankfully our home is at a place where we don't get flooding at our home, but we live on the river and we have a lot of ponds, and all of the ponds are very flooded, and we've told the kids they all just need to stay inside today because we don't want them near the ponds when they're so flooded and there's rushing water where the creeks are. The creeks that are normally like dry water creeks where sometimes there's no water, sometimes there's a little bit. It's like rushing currents. We got a ton of rain in the last like 12 hours, and there's people in our town that have lost homes. I mean, it's really, really bad. So we're inside today. We're going to be doing a lot of so we're going to be inside playing a lot of games, watching movies, just kind of inside today. Oh my goodness. Yesterday, you guys pretty much got everything on the back to school list for Tammy's grandkids, and I just want to say thank you. That was amazing. And I know from last year, you guys just fell in love with her grandkids and you have supported them, and I know it means the world to them. Amazing things have happened through you guys for these kids last year and then again this year. And I shared this on stories yesterday when I shared the videos, but they're even going to church every Sunday because a neighbor who saw our stories last year started taking them every Sunday to church. And so I added some church clothes to our Amazon wish list. So I might add a few more items to their wish list because I know a lot of people still want to participate. And I got each of them on the wish list, I think like 5 new outfits. And so, I mean, that's like bare minimum, to start school. So I might add a few more things, maybe for the fall or for winter, for those people who still want to participate, because I know they're going to need that stuff too. And then in a few days, we have another exciting thing to benefit Tammy's grandkids that I want to share, but that'll be in a few days. And I just want to say thank you. This community never ceases to amaze me with your generosity and just like genuine desire to help others. It's inspiring to me, and I'm just grateful for you guys and for this community. Okay, onward with our home day in the rain. We received a box from one of our favorites, Beekeepers Naturals, and they sent us some of their soothing lozenges. These are so excellent to have on hand. They are honey flavored, and they're great for kids during school and before school and just anytime really. I really like these. These are vitamin C supports, and they're packets, and you just take one a day. This right here is immune support. You spray this at the back of your mouth, like in your throat, and that helps keep you healthy. And I am excited to wear these. This is so cute. Look at the bee on the bottom of them. Those are cozy. And then I always love a good sweatshirt. How cute is that? Beekeepers Naturals, like a little outfit. We always love working with Beekeepers Naturals. And then this right here is baby oil, SPF 30, and that's going to be handy to have for this summer. So check out Beekeepers Naturals. I'm going to link their page. They're one of our favorites to work. Go get him, Bo. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, are you walking on your tippy toes? Go get him. Tippy toes. You. Are you walking on your tippy toes? Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Go get Liam. Go get that caterpillar. Go get that caterpillar. Now you're stuck. check out this crazy cake. This is actually not a cake. It is cotton candy. What? One of our friends sent us this, and it is very timely because it's a rainy day at home, and this brought so much excitement for the kids to have a cotton candy cake. And it's kind of like an early birthday cake for Benny because his birthday's on Friday. He turns 8. And so we're going to have cotton candy cake for a little snack on this rainy day. Is it good, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you guys say? Thank you.
Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So on our pool cover, we have a pump, and it is intended to keep the water off the pool cover. But you can see, like, it did not keep up because there was so incredibly, just a ton of rain. I've never seen this much rain. And so the kids are like bailing water off the cover with buckets to try to help because that's a ton of weight on the cover. I mean, it's doing fine, but we need to get all the water off. And the kids are having fun with it, so it's fine. But yeah, look at that. Oh, Betty! And so Bo is over there playing with the water hose from the pump, draining it. So there's the pump right there. It's trying, but it's just a lot of water. Bobo, get out of there. Get out of there, Bobo. Yeah, it's just a lot of water. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so this is our secret hideout. So we close that in. Then we got these like lights. Then we got a Christmas tree up. I need to go Patty. And this is entrance. Oh, that is tight. Now, oh, okay, oh. Alright, I'm better. Okay, guys, you're gonna break this head. Stop. Or get down. Alright. This is the inside. And this is that. This over here is nothing. And it's just paper. And these are the markers. The wall. All the pictures. All the way over there. And then I got this whole place. And then that. Oh, and then this is where we draw the picture.
My mama's girl.
Yes.
You're a mommy's girl. Well, I'm a Jenna mommy.
You're funny.
I think you're funny. Say bye. Bye, mommy's girl.
Mommy, you're bad, baby.
We're gonna have a surprise to tell you. We're going to have a baby. We're gonna have another baby.
Everybody say, Mama's pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
Sam, say, Mama's pregnant.
What do you think? Do you want a boy or a girl?
Sam, do you want a brother or sister?
Okay.
What is it?
That's all. That was the exciting news.
Afternoon, everybody. Okay, Liam, tell us a little bit about the day. Go.
Today has been a very rainy day.
Bo, has it been raining outside? Oh my. So, yes, it's been very rainy, and we have not been able to go outside because our creek has overflown and it's kind of dangerous outside. Oh, goodness. Okay, yeah. You say hi. And so my dad said no outside, and he's a little overprotective, but no, it actually is, like, unsafe, so we're just staying inside, and today we might make some Play-Doh. You wanna make Play-Doh, Bowie? You wanna make Play-Doh? Okay, anyways. You say bye? Bye.
You walking on your tippy toes. Tippy toes. Tippy toes. Tippy toes. Tippy toes. That is so cute. Love your outfit. You want to spin?
Watch. I let him go.
Ooh, so pretty. Woo.
I'm going to do a class.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Mom, watch this.
Mom, what's this? Mom, watch this. Mom, watch this. It didn't work out. Sorry, it didn't work out right. Okay, you have to pause that video and keep it on, okay? Ready, Mom?